Hey there, welcome to our new Elwin YouTube channel where you'll be taking a plunge into a unique philosophy for life and design and get to pick our brain while at it. In our first Elwin video, we're highlighting the topic of color and how it affects our lives. You will learn how to strategically use specific colors for specific needs, such as enhancing your mood, targeting the right clientele with a possible rebrand, and so forth. That's right, there's much more to color than a simple trendy palette. All those Instagram trends with an all-gray nursery or sterile white kitchen? Yeah, they are called trends for a reason after all, right? I mean, they're there for your viewing pleasure, but just because an interior space looks picture perfect, it doesn't mean that the colors are targeting what we want to accomplish through said interior space. We have at our fingertips so many ways to up our mood via colors, as they affect us deeply for better or for worse, and sometimes we don't even realize it. Because you see, our bodily sensations, emotions, and mental health are all intertwined and affected by specific colors. Here we'll show you how to use them more optimally. But first, we need to know about these little guys scientifically coined as neurotransmitters. Stay with me now, it'll be short and sweet, I promise. Plus, neurotransmitters are kind of important in how they link nerves and emotions so beautifully. Neurotransmitters are nerve fiber endings which release a chemical substance when our brains receive a nerve impulse or piece of information. This happens the moment we touch, hear, taste, smell, or see something. In today's video, we're specifically talking about how viewing colors can change the chemical processes in our bodies. Blue is linked to several neurotransmitters, but the one most people seek after is good old dopamine. That's a feel-good chemical, also known as a chemical that travels around the pleasure and reward regions of the brain. Think of going on a refreshing morning jog and getting that feeling of accomplishment. I mean, who doesn't love that feeling, right? Constant exposure to blue reportedly lowers blood pressure and fosters feelings of serenity, like when we take a long gaze at the blue ocean or the big blue skies. And did you know, a good chance why high-profile speakers, like our US presidents, for example, frequently wear blue ties is because blue promotes the feeling of trust. It's an all-around positive color to work with, and thus a good color to use in your new logo or in your office space to instill a sense of stability within your company. Green is similar to blue in that it helps induce dopamine as well. Taking a walk in a forest or going on a hike surrounded by greenery is a surefire way of calming both mind and body. If you want to help your clients gain a sense of tranquility and natural beauty within their surroundings, we recommend adding green to different aspects of your products or logo images. Now, yellow is a happy color, and who doesn't want to be happy? It helps release brain chemicals known as serotonin. Serotonin is directly linked to our nervous system, helping with accelerated metabolism and nurturing our central nerves. Ever notice that the most successful fast food chains use yellow in their logos? If you find yourself frequenting those places, it's probably because serotonin is kicking your metabolism and hunger in high gear mode, and you didn't even know it. Using these tidbits of knowledge on color psychology can really enhance your brand for this coming new year. Since every hue has an individual purpose, applying these pointers will probably elevate the way your acquaintances and clients view your business endeavors. We encourage you to click like if you find yourself learning something new in this video. And obviously, a lot more goes into our emotions besides the psychology of color, as there's also a phenomenon known as the psychology of eye movement, which we'll be featuring in an upcoming video if you're looking to elevate your relationship with your clients. Now, going back to colors. Orange. Looking at orange objects will also raise our serotonin levels. Orange causes feelings of creativity and excitement, thus making it the best color to use in organized leadership scenarios or gatherings. Next time you host a leadership or workplace event, make sure to use orange in applicable items such as program materials, books, or aesthetic pieces. Just don't do it mindlessly because it can lead to visual fatigue after a long exposure. Of course, the last thing we'd want in this scenario is a group of irritated coworkers not working together as a group. And lastly, how can we forget red? Not only does this fiery color produce feelings of passion, excitement, danger, but it also induces appetite. Not surprisingly, it's also the color of sensuality. All of this is triggered by the release of dopamine in the brain when we expose ourselves to the color red for long enough. Using red sparingly can truly help you target your audience to jump in on the brands and products that you're excited about. So, in what ways would you choose these colors to enhance your business and or personal environment? Make sure to answer in the comments section or feel free to ask any questions. We hope you found some interesting thoughts in this video, as we're here to enrich your life with one little bit of knowledge at a time. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with more upcoming content.